Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. If you are new here, do subscribe to our channel for technology updates. If you have already subscribed to our channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the update instantaneously. In today's video, we will be doing the unboxing of Redmi's Mi A1. So guys, this is the box which is of Redmi's A1, Android one is the phone's name A1. And a few of the key features of this phone are it has got dual camera with 2x optical zoom. The best part is it has got stock Android experience in it, so this Mi phone won't be having MIUI interface. Then it runs on Snapdragon 625 processor, which is quite stable and fast processor. Then it has got 5.5 inches full HD display. It supports dual SIM. It has got dual camera, of which both the cameras are 12 megapixel, and other specs are written on this phone. So this variant is of 4GB and 64 gigabytes of internal storage. So the box price written in this is 15,999, as you can see here, but I have brought it for my friend for around 13,999, which is approximately 14,000 from Flipkart. So this is how the packaging looks like. Packaging is very much decent and sturdy like the other Mi packaging. Made in India has been written at the back side of this. Few specs are mentioned over here. So this one is a budget smartphone with lot of great features. So it comes in 3 colors: black, silver and pink. I believe this one is golden color, so it comes in 3 colors: black, silver, golden and pink. So I'll quickly remove this plastic wrap from here, and maybe we can have a look at the other features. I'll just remove the plastic covering from this. We'll just keep it aside. Let's see what are all the box content. The box opens up like this, and so this is the box, plain white box. Mi A1 has been written on both sides, and Mi branding logo is at the top. So I'll quickly cut out this seal. So this is the first look of this phone. Wow, it's quite premium device, and the first impression which we get is it looks quite similar to iPhone 7 Plus and OnePlus 5, and it has got the metallic body. Dual camera setup is provided here. So for now we'll keep the phone aside. We'll look into like what are all the box content here. So the good thing is, if you see, we have got the screen protector here. I'll keep the screen protector inside. What all other things are there in this box, we'll have a look. I'll keep this aside for now. So inside this box I get a charging cable, and the good part is it has got USB Type-C, as you can see here, and this is something good which they have given in this price range of phone. There are some instruction manuals which we don't need as of now. This is the power brick and some other warranty and headset limited warranty guidelines. I'll keep them aside. Apart from this, we have a SIM ejector tool at the bottom. So for timing, I'll keep all these things. The box contains the charger, the power brick, the charging cable and the handset itself. So now the charging is a fast charger, and it's 5-volt 2 ampere charger. The good thing is it supports USB Type-C. Now I'll quickly give you the overview of this phone. So this one is 5.5 inches full HD display phone. At the right side we have the volume rockers and the power button. On the left side we have the hybrid SIM slot, where you can attach 2 of the SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. It has got 4GB of RAM and 64 gigabytes of internal storage. As far as the cameras are concerned, it has got dual cameras, of which both the cameras are 12 megapixel and one is telescopic lens. It has got dual tone LED flash, fingerprint sensor is provided over here. It has got metallic body. So in all, it is a mid-range premium phone, and the specs are very good on the paper. I'll quickly set it up. I'll just turn it on and then maybe we can have a look at it. And the main talking point of this phone is that it has got stock Android, and Google has promised all the latest updates would be there for this phone. Out of the box it comes in 7.1.2, and already we have got Oreo update for this, so that is something great for this phone. And in all, it is a good package. I'll just set it up for you guys, and as this was just a quick unboxing for this, and I'll also do a in-depth review of this phone. So hope you guys like this video, and if you liked it, do hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also comment your queries for this phone. I'll surely try to answer those in the next video. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.